So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with the author biography block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to do that, I'm going to go in between two blocks right here and then click on the plus button, and over here I'm going to type in author right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that author biography is an option. So now once you do that, it pulls in the description of the author and then keeps it right here just like this. So now you can you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, change around this format. You can do that right here. So you want to quickly access to the author biography, then you can simply go ahead and do that. You can change around the pattern, the margin right here, add in border, let's say for example, and get the result you want. Let me just go ahead and click right here and type in author right here just like this, and then go around onto author name. Then it simply shows that right there. So similarly, you can simply go around and type in author, let's say for example, and get the details right here just like this as well. And this is how you can bring in the author biography block right here to have a quick information about the blocks that you have and inside of the wordpress.com post. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe